Stop wasting time searching for games. Let's customize your YouTube TV lineup in under 60 seconds. Step 1. Open YouTube TV on your computer and click your profile icon in the top right corner. Navigate to Settings and then select Live Guide from the menu on the left side of the screen. Toggle your guide from default to custom. This is what unlocks the ability to reorder and hide channels. Now simply uncheck any channels you don't watch. They'll be hidden from your live guide immediately. To prioritize your favorites, just drag and drop the channels to the very top of the list for easy access. The best part, your changes sync across every device you use, from your phone to your living room TV. Go back to your live guide and make sure custom is selected to see your new organized lineup in action. That's it. Fast, easy, and exactly how you want it. No more endless scrolling through junk you never watch. For more quick fixes and tech tips like this, subscribe to Sleek Guides. I'm your host and I'll see you in the next one. These steps apply to your own account and your own device only. Visit our site for more detailed guides.